Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from Mani Talwar Makeovers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. From the title of this video, you must have get to know about the topic of today's video, and all the products which I'm using are the products which I had shown you right now. A beginner's makeup kit. I had taken a very small tiny moisturizer from Joy Honey and Almonds. So after moisturizer, the next step is eyebrows. वैसे तो हम अपनी ब्राउज अपनी आई शेडो पैलेट से भी कर सकते हैं, हमें एक्स्ट्रा पेंसिल कैरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट इफ़ वी हैव नॉर्मल सिंपल आईब्रो पेंसिल, व्हाई नॉट टू कैरी इट अलोंग इन अ मेकअप किट. The next step is concealer. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20. If you want, you can actually skip this step, but I like to conceal my eyelids as it completes the eye look. After the step, I am taking this brush from Pro Art. You can see it's a very precise brush. It's basically a crease brush. Since it's a beginner's makeup kit, so I'm not carrying many more brushes like I regularly do. So you really need only 2 to 3 brushes in your makeup kit to do your eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, you need only 2 to 3 brushes. And also I'll be listing all the products and all the brushes in the description box below along with their links so that you can actually access them. So I had completed my second eye also right now. After this step, I'm using the round blending brush. I use this brush to blend my eyeshadow and also to blend the harsh lines. And if you skip this step, this will really look so bad. After this, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Corrector. Basically, you don't need to do this step. This step is basically only for those who have dark circles or have some acne scars. If your face is flawless, you can skip this step and you don't need to keep this in your makeup kit. Now you have to blend it. After that, I'm taking my foundation, Maybelline Fit Me. It's the best foundation for me. I would prefer this foundation only over any other foundation just because it is best for daily makeup, and also it's not much expensive. And also I would suggest the people who are learning makeup right now can go for this foundation without any doubt. You can see the foundation is easy to blend and also it gives a nice coverage. I would say this foundation is a lightweight base and it will not make you feel so heavy. And people, don't forget to cover your ears also, just because your face and your ears should not look different. It should look the same and it should match your tone. The same reason you should cover your neck also, just because you have to make them all coming together, your ears, your neck and your face. Now you had to take the back side of your beauty blender, the flat side, so that the excess can be absorbed into the beauty blender and your base look flawless. After that, you had to take the concealer. I am taking the Maybelline concealer to cover my under eye area and all the parts which I want to highlight. And going to blend this same with this beauty blender. Your blending game should be perfect, as more you blend, the more flawless your base will look. After that, I'm going to bake my under eye with the setting powder. and after 2 to 3 minutes I'm going to remove all the product from the under eye looking upwards so that it can be settled down easily. I love to carry the palettes which has all the three things, bronzer, highlighter and blusher, so that you don't have to collect all the things, so many things in your makeup kit. You are ready to go with this palette only. And also some palettes have the blusher shades also, like dark pink, light pink and peach. So guys, if you know any other palette, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll definitely give it a try. Now I'm applying the blusher, the light pink blusher. Now I'm cleaning the brush just because we are not using much brushes, so I'm using the same brush which I had used for blusher, using the same brush for highlighter after cleaning it. So make sure जब भी आप एक brush को दो बार use करें for different purpose, you have to clean it. After that I'm taking the Huda Beauty lip contour liner. So I'm lining my lips with this lip contour pencil. I do this step just because I don't want my lipstick to bleed out, and I would suggest this lipstick, the Maybelline Touch of Spice. I just love this shade, and also it's not much expensive and I love to wear this lipstick every day. And also I would suggest this Color Essence Matte Me lipstick. This and this Maybelline lipstick, I love it. Now I'm taking the pencil brush for under eye smudging. I'm taking the black eyeshadow to enhance my under eye area. Since I'm not applying eyeliner, I'm applying the same eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, on the upper side also. Now you can see the look of my both the eyes. The next step is applying the mascara. You have to apply the mascara very carefully. This is the step which can actually enhance your eye look to an extent, and you can clearly see the difference. After that, I am taking the same brush, the precise brush which I had used for my eyeshadow. That's why I'm cleaning it, and I'm using the same brush to highlight my brow bone, the inner side, the inner corner of the eyelids. The very next step is makeup fixer. I'm using the Forever 52 makeup fixer so that the base can be blurred out and the base can look so flawless, and it gives a very beautiful result. I just loved creating this look for you guys. Hey, it brings to the end of the video. Before going, do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys.